Hi, students, let's get started with the subject English, Beehive, Poem 3.1 Rain on the Roof. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Read the poem to find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the rain. First line, when the humid shadows hover. Meaning, when dark, heavy, moisture-filled clouds gather in the sky, creating a shadowy and damp atmosphere before the rain begins. Next line, over all the starry spheres. Meaning, it means the dark rain clouds spread across the entire sky, hiding the stars from view. Next line, and the melancholy darkness. Meaning, the gloomy darkness created by the rain clouds fills the sky. Next line, gently weeps in rainy tears. Meaning, the sky seems to be softly crying as raindrops fall like gentle tears. Next line, what a bliss to press the pillow. Meaning, the poet feels great happiness and comfort in lying down and resting his head on the pillow. Next line, of a cottage chamber bed. Meaning, the poet is describing the simple joy of resting on a bed inside a small cottage room. Next line, and lie listening to the patter. Meaning, the poet enjoys lying down quietly while listening to the gentle sound of raindrops falling. Next line, of the soft rain overhead. Meaning, the poet takes delight in hearing the soothing sound of the gentle rain falling on the roof above. Next line, every tinkle on the shingles. Meaning, it means each raindrop makes a light, tinkling sound as it falls on the tiled roof. Next line, has an echo in the heart. Meaning, the sound of the raindrops creates a deep, touching feeling in the poet's heart. Next line, and a thousand dreamy fancies. Meaning, the sound of the rain fills the poet's mind with countless dreamy thoughts and imaginations. Next line, into busy being start. Meaning, many thoughts and imaginations come alive and begin to stir actively in the poet's mind. Next line, and a thousand recollections. Meaning, the rain also brings back countless memories from the poet's past. Next line, weave their air threads into wove. Meaning, those memories join together like threads woven into fabric, forming a pattern in the poet's mind. Next line, as I listen to the patter. Meaning, while listening to the gentle sound of the raindrops falling, the poet experiences these thoughts and memories. Next line, of the rain upon the roof. Meaning, the poet feels all these dreams and memories while listening to the soothing sound of rain falling on the roof. Next line, now in memory comes my mother. Meaning, it means the sound of the rain brings back the poet's memory of his mother. Next line, as she used in years ago. Meaning, the poet remembers how his mother used to be in the past, long ago. Next line, to regard the darling dreamers. Meaning, the poet recalls his mother lovingly watching her children while they were asleep and dreaming. Next line, array she left them till the dawn. Meaning, it means the poet remembers how his mother looked at her children with love before leaving them to sleep peacefully until morning. Next line, oh, I feel her fond look on me. Meaning, the poet imagines and feels his mother's loving and caring gaze upon him once again. Next line, as I listen to this refrain. Meaning, as the poet listens to the repeated sound of the falling rain, he feels his mother's love in his memories. Next line, which is played upon the shingles. meaning the gentle music of the rain is created as the drops fall on the tiled roof. Next line, by the patter of the rain, meaning it means the soothing sound of raindrops falling on the roof creates a musical rhythm that the poet enjoys. Quotes Kine. Thanks for watching.